You know what?
Gift before
Here's
we
the
left.
thing. This thing is causing so much problem in the house, I'm gonna have to take it away.
But I'm trying to get them out of here. I really want to go to sleep.
Sorry.
Sorry.
So how you gonna do it? Do it now that she's in the VR, and then when she comes out, it's all clean. That would be amazing. Come on.
Like, look what I...
Why don't one of you do it?
Because you're not pulling your weight.
Scotty.
Trying to see what you're licking.
Oh, sucker.
Yeah, I was like, are you licking a spoon over and over again?
You're that blind? It's green. It is fucking green.
Our spoons are green.
No, they not. What? You're that blind?
Aren't they?
They're silver.
They're like a weird, like metallic, greenish, purple, silver.
They're
Yeah, she's right. They're like
a
green,
weird
blue,
metallic,
green.
but they are not that color green.
Yeah.
Okay, well, my eyes suck.
It's okay.
She took your sheet, too.
My sheet or your sheet? What the fuck? I'm gonna do it for you.
What?
Brett, can I make your bed for you?
Yes. Actually.
Okay.